to no winning. We have for you today a special project that I've been kind of hoping to do for a very long time. If you've been following with the channel, you might have seen us do an unboxing from this box. There is a lot of parts that I've been wanting to put on the silver car, but we've been a little preoccupied with the blue car. As you can tell, it's still not done. So meanwhile, I figure out what I'm going to do with this car because I've never really done it before. I'm going to install parts on this car. I've been wanting to put in these parts for almost a year now, and I'm not going to lie to you, I'm a little bored with where I'm at on this car. So I've been buying parts here and there as we've been working on the blue car and trying to figure out how, when, or what are we going to be doing exactly with the silver car. So like I said, if you've been following along with the channel, or if you haven't, maybe go back and check out this video. We did an unboxing on this, and it really is just a bunch of car parts for E85. So here, I'm going to do it one more time. Here we have IAG fuel rails, alright, gold, our favorite color here in this channel. We have fuel pressure sensor kit, Cobb. We have flex fuel system kit right here with Cobb. We have our infamous Lonix spacers. If you've been following with the channel, you've probably seen us deal with this 100 times, so there is that. We have AEM high flow fuel pump. We have the gauge for the fuel pressure regulator. We have some injector dynamics. These are 1050 cc's. We have an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. Alright, and we're going to do this really quickly because we've done this before already. This is, it looks like plug and play kits for the injectors, I'm assuming, so we'll figure that out right now. Then we have, while everything is going to be out, we are also installing a Piran turbo inlet. And see what this is right here? Ooh, I don't even know if you can still get a hold of these. These are TGVs, housings. Lastly, the fuel lines. So, I've had this box, look, you can even see how bad the dust is. I've had this box sitting on a shelf for about a year. So, this is what I had originally purchased. Here's some new parts. So I'm going to do another unboxing with all of this and tell you what we're going to be doing and in what order. So follow along with us. Just skip around with what you want to see. But I'm going to do my best to record, stop, and do recaps on where I'm at. Let me get these open and get these situated. I'll be right back to you. Okay, so I'm back. I already kind of organized what I have over here. These are some new parts that I do have that I've been buying along just to kind of see what I need to finish off this car. Believe it or not, I almost forgot something. It's probably going to come in a little later today, so I hope it works out in time. But I'm going to open up each one of these to see what else I needed to add for this E85 setup. I'm super excited. I'm super nervous. I've been thinking about this for a while now. But I'm actually glad that we are finally here. So let me see what we have here. This is some, I don't know if you can see here, block off plates. So we can do the air pump delete. I don't remember what brand they were because I don't remember where I got them. It's been a while. So I hope you follow along. Like I said, I don't even know what half these things are, but I'm going to open up them anyway. These look like replacement hardware for AAG TGV. From Amazon, this is an AN wrench. Thank you, Smeedia. I got the idea from you, so that might help us out there. I also have some like random miscellaneous stuff that I bought. I bought a brand new wrench, or yeah, wrench, right? 120 teeth. Maybe it'll save us some time as we're going through all of this. You know, nobody, for those of you who've been watching, knows I don't like to use a power tool. So we have this. We bought some electrical tape, right? I know we're gonna be doing the evap delete. We're gonna have to be wrapping up some lines, some electrical wires. I brought some blue masking tape so I can mask off the actual block so nothing falls in. I bought some random hose clamps just in case because I love hose clamps and zip ties. So we have that here. I bought some, what are these? Vacuum caps, because I know we're gonna do, like I said, evap delete, air pump delete. So yeah, those are some miscellaneous things that I do have. I'm actually on PTO, so I'm gonna be working on this straight. So you might be seeing me wear the same shirt, but it's because I'm working on it, and I'm gonna be doing multiple videos in one day so that we can have enough content ready for you. So what we have here is Omni 4-bar map sensor, right? Red. Okay. We have, I don't even remember what I ordered here. This one is IAG block off plates for the MAF sensor. We have IAG speed density sensor, little itty bitty boxes. And then we have, I can get it out. There we go. IAG oil feed AVCS line. We did this before in a previous video. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better job of showing you exactly what I did to put this on, because I've gotten a lot of comments of people asking me to actually sit there and explain where the lines go. So promise I will do a better job of that one. And lastly, this last box here, I don't remember again what's in it. So, oh, okay, perfect. We are doing an air fuel ratio gauge sensor, all of the above here. I've never done this before, so kind of excited. Woo. So, believe it or not, this may be a little disappointing, but it may not be. It may be a little exciting also, like it is for me. So, this is going to be it for today's video. This is going to be kind of an introduction or prep into what's going to be happening for the next video. So what to expect to see for the next video is, on the Silver STI, I'm probably going to be doing a video where we take off the, of course, the intercooler, the intake manifold, the turbo inlet, the TGVs, the fuel lines, all of that. Then a separate video, I'm going to give you a little idea of heads up. So after that, we'll probably take off the exhaust manifold, the up pipe, the down pipe, the turbo. Then from there, we will start actually installing parts. So you might be seeing that in about a week or 2 weeks after this video if you're watching. And if you've made it this far, thank you. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. And that's all I have for you. Stay tuned for future videos. We'll see you soon.